Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with GTA 5 enhanced version. While launching the game, you got an error of no license. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to open up your Windows security. Click on the option protection history, and right over here under the recent items, you may find that the Steam API is blocked by your antivirus. So you need to click on this down arrow key so that you will find the file with its path that is blocked by your antivirus. If it is saying Steam API 64.dll is blocked, then you need to click on this action tab and choose option allow on device. Once you have done so, relaunch the game. If this failed to work out and you are still getting no license error by launching GTA 5 using the Rockstar Games launcher, go ahead, open up this PC, C drive, program files x86, and here press the S key to find a folder with the name Steam. Now before proceeding, make sure if Steam is running into your system, close it. Open Task Manager and press the S key to find if Steam is running into a system or not. If it is running, simply right click on it and choose the option End Task. At my end, there is no Steam file running, so I have already closed it. After closing the Steam, simply right click on the Steam folder and choose the option Rename and give it any name, suppose steam.old. Click on the option Continue to provide admin rights. Once the Steam file is renamed, close it. Now simply go ahead and launch the Rockstar Games launcher into your system. Launch the Rockstar Games launcher and you will not getting that particular issue of launch the game using the Steam. You will directly find the option to hit the play option and then launch GTA 5 enhanced version into your PC. Now once you are able to launch the game, again head over to this folder where we have renamed the Steam folder. Again rename the steam.old folder back to Steam. Now if this method failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, you need to open your browser and you need to download two different files. First one is this particular Goldbug emulator. Click on the latest releases and then from the scroll down, you need to download WinZ release.7z file into a PC. Click on it, save it into your system. Once the folder is downloaded, open the zip folder, open releases, regular, x64, right click on Steam_API file and you need to paste this file right into the game directory. At my end, the game is available in F drive, Rockstar Games, GTA 5, right over here. You need to paste these files by right clicking and choose option paste. Now if it is asking you to replace the file, go ahead and you need to replace the particular file. But make sure you paste the file right in the game directory, and if you are playing the game using the Steam, the folder will be available right in the bin folder. For example, in F drive, all my games are installed in this particular folder. So right over here, these are the games I have downloaded. Whenever I open any game, binaries, Win64, and you will find the Steam file. So you need to paste this particular file right into the game directory under the binaries Win64 folder. After pasting the file, again open up your browser and you need to download this second folder. Again, you need to click on this latest releases, scroll down and download this zip file into your PC. Once the folder is downloaded, right click on Steamless file and choose the option Extract All. Once the extraction is completed, right click on Steamless file and choose the option Run as Administrator. Once it is started, click on this three dot icon to browse the exe file of the GTA. Again, the GTA is present in this PC, F drive, Rockstar Games, GTA 5, and here is GTA 5 file. Select it. Once it is selected, click on the option Unpack file. Once you unpack this file, a new exe file with the name GTA 5 will be generated right into the installation directory. Again, the directory is available in F drive, Rockstar Games, GTA 5. So after hitting the unpack file, another GTA 5 file will be available. What you need to do is to right click on the older GTA 5 file and choose option Cut and paste the file anywhere right onto a desktop to make a backup so that if anything goes wrong, you can replace the file. And then you need to rename the newly created GTA 5 file. So to rename the file, find that particular file. At my end, here is GTA5.unpack file. Again, rename this file and delete .unpack and let it be GTA 5 only. Once you have done so, close it. Now go ahead and launch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Steam no license error. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.